Hello, I'm Jeff Gahris, a solar ambassador for the Illinois Solar Education Association, living in Wheaton, Illinois. By means of this video, I wish to share with you our solar story and will introduce you to our solar equipment and the experiences we have had as solar-powered homeowners. The solar panels that you see were professionally installed just over 4 years ago. Why do we have solar? First, we wanted to reduce our carbon footprint and be less reliant on fossil fuels. Second, we wanted to spend less on our electric bills. We spoke to more than one reliable installer, and once we decided to go solar, it took about 3 months to get it installed, including the 30 days needed to get a city permit. The system behind me is not large, but it covers most of our electrical needs. So let's take a closer look at the details. On the roof, we have 8 high-performance solar panels mounted on the south side. The total production is rated at 2.6 kilowatts of DC power. This handles 75% of our needs. So here's the smart meter that keeps track of electricity coming into the house or excess energy feeding into the grid. It does this in real time. This feature, known as net metering, is very important for billing purposes and helps make the solar panels more affordable. On the roof, we have 8 Panasonic high-performance solar panels mounted on the south side. The total production is rated at 2.6 kilowatts of DC power. This handles 75% of our needs. So note, here is the conduit that comes down from the roof. This is from the actually the service from ComEd, and then the smaller pipe to the right is from the DC powered solar panels, and they connect together in the inverter, which I'll show you in a minute. Here is a disconnect that disconnects the equipment from the grid if necessary. It can be done manually. It's important to note that we're tied to the electrical grid, but we have no batteries. For this reason, and to protect the line utility workers, our solar panels are automatically disconnected in the event of an outage. This is our string inverter. It is called that because all of the solar panels are connected in series. They supply DC power to this inverter to be converted to AC household power. It is tied directly to our service panel. And here you see voltage readings that are continuously updated. We can track the performance of the solar array, including the production of each panel. We can also view daily, monthly, and annual energy production. Note here how the daily and seasonal variation exists, but the annual production is roughly the same from year to year. Each colored bar represents a different year, and it follows roughly a bell curve, reflecting the great amount of solar energy in the summer months and less in the winter. So this concludes the tour on a bright sunny day. I trust this short introduction and tour was helpful. If you have more questions, I refer you to the Illinois Solar Education Association website at illinoissolar.org. Thank you.